blood pressure, aka hypertension. Who cares? Oh, I should?
Yes.
Oh, it is a risk factor for aortic dissection, so maybe you can show me how to do it?
Yes. So
Nice fancy equipment. Please don't tell me you got this at a local pharmacy.
I did.
I see, so that's fine. Go ahead.
That is perfectly fine. The first step I would tell you is put both feet on the ground.
I got that. Go ahead.
And because I did get this from a local pharmacy, every blood pressure cuff machine has different instructions, so it's very important for you to read your instructions.
Will do.
And for demonstration purposes, I have already placed the blood pressure cuff on her.
I see.
It's really important for me to make sure that I have 2 fingers that can go underneath her cuff to make sure it's not too tight.
Peace.
Peace.
Peace out.
And so it's also important for you to just relax this arm. Do not talk, and just breathe normally. And like I said, you'll wait 5 minutes for this blood pressure machine instructions, and then you press the button for it to go ahead and inflate.
I'm a little scared.
It's not on.
Huh?
This is not on. It's for demonstration purposes only.
Oh, okay. That's your way of letting me down easy. Give it to me straight. How's my blood pressure?
It's not on.
It's demonstration purposes
Only.
only. For more information on this and a lot of other stuff, johnritterfoundation.org.
.org.
You complete me.